Are you thinking about investing but not sure which platform to choose? Today, we'll compare Trading 212 and Hargreaves Lansdown to help you decide. Both platforms let you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investments. They aim to make investing easy for everyone, whether you are a beginner or more experienced. Let's start with Trading 212. This platform is known for its user friendly mobile app. It offers commission free trading, which is great for those who want to save on fees. You can also practice trading with a demo account. This helps you learn without risking real money. Now, let's talk about Hargreaves Lansdown. This platform has been around for a long time and is very popular in the UK. It offers a wide range of investment options, including funds and shares. Hargreaves Lansdown also provides excellent research tools and customer support, which can be very helpful for investors. So, what are the main differences? Trading 212 is more focused on beginners and offers commission free trades. Hargreaves Lansdown, on the other hand, has a more extensive range of investment options and better research tools, but it does charge fees for trades. When it comes to features, Trading 212's app is sleek and easy to use. Hargreaves Lansdown has a more robust website with lots of resources for research. In terms of pricing, Trading 212 is generally cheaper with no commission. Hargreaves Lansdown has fees for trades, but it offers more in-depth support and resources. In the end, if you're just starting out and want to trade without fees, Trading 212 might be the better choice. If you're looking for a wider range of investments and solid support, Hargreaves Lansdown could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.